Arizona holds one of the richest bird populations in North America. From desert lowlands to alpine forests, a wide range of habitats supports an exceptional diversity of bird life. More than 500 photographs, 570 species, 3.5 years of field work. This book is a complete photographic record of the birds of Arizona. It is a large format volume, 9.5 by 13 inches, with 450 pages. Every regularly occurring species is included, presented clearly and consistently. Many are shown in both male and female plumage, revealing differences often missed in the field. The approach is deliberately simple, to show each bird as it appears in its natural setting without distraction. The first 100 copies form a signed and numbered limited edition. Pre-ordering begins on April 2nd for delivery in May 2026.